Hello, today is the second day. We are going to the field trip and to see the Professor Suzuki renovate house for the local people. And then we go to see the market. And this market is along the line of the urban planning here. And they have a shop house over here. And at the end of the today, we are going to have the activity with the KT and SOAD student to clean the old house. Let's see.
Now we are in Sumoto. It's quite a good view here.
He's working for the city of the town hall of Sumoto, and he's like a most important person for this project. He arranged everything. This building was over at least 100 years old, and the previous owner donated this building to Sumoto. And the Sumoto city decided to renovate this building and to make it like a regional center for the agricultural development.
So actually, in the house they have divided the area in two parts. One is you can walk around, and it's adapted. They can change and move. Inside they have put the gravel, and this maybe agriculture tool. This house made by KIT students. The structure of the building made from the wood with the glasses attached on.
He's the leader of the NPO, like a non-profit organization to revitalize the community business, like a regional community, local businesses. And he's been advising the city for the.
4年前から入って3年前からこのまさに洲本市の、プロジェクトに関わっているという感じですね。はい。
He came in 4 years ago, and for the last couple of years, he's advising. He has been advising Sumoto City, and especially this area, this shopping street. Open space was not just for selling vegetables and produces, but also they had a small office to give advices to local business people. And after they started those market and advising office, then people started coming back, and the area is revitalized. He found that this building was 120 years old, and we can tell that because he found that little piece of wood. Any traditional houses have something like that, to write down when it's built and who built it, and when they found these pieces, then they, it's like evidence of the year it was built. When they found this house abandoned, it was almost slanted, like as much as this much, and not just this building, but the next door, and the entire shopping and houses along the shopping street is slanted. So they pushed it back, and now it looks straight, but it took a long time. It's a lot of hard work to put it back like this.